If Facebook won't let you log in on Google Chrome, don't worry because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This issue is often caused by an extension blocking the login process, a browser setting interfering with Facebook, or even a simple time and date mismatch on your computer. By the end of this tutorial, you should have a much better chance of getting back into your account without wasting time guessing what went wrong. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to check for any ad blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions that may be stopping Facebook from loading properly. To do this, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the Extensions puzzle piece icon. From there, click Manage Extensions. Now go through your installed extensions and turn off anything that could interfere with Facebook, such as ad blockers, script blockers, tracking protection tools, or antivirus browser extensions. These tools are useful in many cases, but sometimes they block important Facebook login elements, including multi-factor authentication prompts, phone verification windows, or redirect codes that Facebook needs to complete sign-in. After disabling those extensions, reload the Facebook page and try logging in again. If the login works now, that means one of those extensions was the problem. Facebook relies on a secure SSL handshake, and if your system clock is even a few minutes off, Chrome may refuse the connection or break the login request. So look down at the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar and check whether the time and date are correct. If they are wrong, right-click the clock and choose Adjust Date and Time. Make sure automatic time settings are turned on. Then click Sync Now under the Additional Settings section. Once that is done, completely close Chrome and reopen it before trying Facebook again. This refreshes the browser session and gives Chrome a chance to reconnect with the correct system time. Now let's move to another very effective fix, which is trying Incognito Mode. Incognito opens a clean browsing session without the same cookies, cache, or many extension effects that may be causing the problem. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. A new private window will open. Go to Facebook and try logging in there. If Facebook works in incognito mode, then the issue is likely caused by a corrupted browser profile, stored cookies, cached data, or a hidden tracking setting in your regular Chrome session. That means the browser itself is fine, but your normal profile needs a cleanup. To do that, go back to the regular Chrome window and click the Site Settings or the sliders icon near the left side of the web address bar. Then click Site Settings. Inside the Settings page, find the option to delete data for Facebook. This clears the stored site data that may be preventing the login page from working correctly. After deleting the data, reload the Facebook page and try logging in one more time. In many cases, this final reset is enough to fix the problem completely. So to recap, the most common fixes are disabling extensions, syncing your system time, testing in incognito mode, and clearing Facebook site data in Chrome. If you follow each of these steps carefully, you'll have a strong chance of getting the login page working again. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.